What's up, guys? This is my 66 Volkswagen Bug. This is a barn fresh car. Came from the original owner. It's been sitting since 91. Does not run, does not drive, but it is complete, and I believe it will run with a little work. Oh, a lot of work. But anyway, it is complete. It's not destroyed. It does have some rust, nothing too bad. Get this door open, but you get the gist of it. Interior is kind of shot. It needs to be restored, but I'm selling it for $26.50 firm, or $27.50 firm, excuse me. And it is original. It has been on non-op and does have a clean title since 1991. So this car has not seen the road in over 30 years. 32 years it has not been on the road. I mean, look at this, is a time capsule. This car has not been touched in so long. Anyway, if you're looking for a project, $27.50 is a good price judging off the market value adjustment that I did. That's a steal. It even has bias supply Sears tires on it. Look, I mean, it's not too rusty, but it does have some rust. If you're interested, $27.50, hit my line. Thanks.